what she said. So we went to our favorite donut place, Yum Yum, and got our white ice
coffee roll.
They're huge.
They're so good though. They're delish. So anyways, we're gonna try
What is
to...
that voice? They're delish. You're copying that girl.
Oh my god. So we're going on a road trip today, so we're gonna try to bring you with us. If we remember to pull out the camera more than once, we'd be happy, okay? Bless you. Bless you. So there you go. And then we'll talk to you when we get done.
10 out of 10.
All right, we'll talk to you in a little while.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah, cover my face. That's good. I like that. That's perfect. Perfect. I'm a cinnamon roll girl.
Oh, imagine if I put googly eyes on it. And then the whole thing top.
Right? All right, guys. We'll talk to you in a little bit. Bye.
Because it looks like she's looking. Oh, you can see the time. Uh-huh. Maybe I shouldn't have recorded at a stop sign.
Right. It's a red light, not a stop sign.
I don't know what it is.
I see a Wawa.
Oh, Wawa.
Wawa.
Wawa. Oh my god.
Carrie's like, come on, let's go.
She's like, beep, beep.
These lights are horrible.
She's like, come on, guys.
It's gonna go green.
You think?
I know, because I can see it.
Oh. And we're moving.
Whoops.
Oh.
Carrie's
Oh.
like, I had enough of this. Bye.
Made it to the eye of the Ikea.
This seemed like a longer drive than what it was.
Definitely. It's craziness.
At least there's not, there wasn't much traffic, so that worked in our favor. Mm-hmm. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Let's go. There it goes. I got it.
So, anyway, so we have made it into the eye of the Ikea. I don't know if we're allowed to fit in here or not, but I like this. Don't I have something like this from the flower show from like 2019?
Yeah, I think I still have it.
I think so.
You got two of them.
I think I have a storage unit.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh, look at this, guys. This is like a head. Changes colors. I don't know what that face was.
She's enjoying herself, as always. We didn't even get through the front door yet.
I like that eye of the Ikea. I like looking at everything. I love these fake windows.
That's what we need at home, so I can look at something different than what I look at.
Put like a jungle video.
Right?
Gorillas and tigers one time.
Bunch of Ellies.
Yeah. Oh, these are speech books.
Is that the whole bookcase?
I think it's different sections. Yeah, no, it is.
What, different? Or is it the whole
No, it's
bookcase?
the whole thing. That's the price for the whole thing.
Wow. And how many shelves is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down and 3 across. So 7 times 3 is.
That's crazy. That might be a possibility.
7 times 3 is.
21?
There's 21 cubbies.
That might be a possibility.
I like it.
That'll cover a lot of what we have.
Yeah. We can put one in each room.
Could do that. I lost you. My leg.
We should get one of these
It's already
for
starting.
all my files.
Right?
Because it has a happy face on it. Your leg starting?
Yeah, already here.
Alright, Mom. Your turn. What?
There's something for me.
I like it.
For $300.
That's a really big thing.
But is it? It's for the whole thing. Right?
Yeah, it says this combination.
Oh, it is.
Should I stop filming for a little bit?
Yeah. It's funny. Years ago when they first came out with that, that's what I always wanted.
Really?
Chairs on one side, a bench on the other.
Yeah, that's how it was at my parents' house.
Mm.
Are you recording?
Resting? Or are you dreaming?
Both, actually. Thinking about what I want my house to look like.
Mm.
You know, getting some ideas.
You gonna have snow behind you?
Absolutely not. If I move to a different state, it's not going to have snow. It's going to be warm.
Ah. I like this one though. A lot of room.
Yeah. I really like this kitchen. And I definitely want, like, island.
I love islands.
I do too. I definitely want one.
When we had it at the other place, I loved it.
I know. I did too. It's so nice, and you can, like, make cookies or just talk while someone cooks or help them cook or whatever.
Right.
I honestly love it.
I like the cabinet space in this one.
I do too. Do you like the white or the brown better?
Same size as our kitchen. We just don't have the cabinet space.
Yeah, but do you like the white or the brown better? I kind of like the brown better.
I like the brown, but the white looks cleaner.
Yeah, but I feel like white just looks boring.
Hmm?
I feel like white and beige look boring.
It is, but
No
it's...
character.
I know, but it's cleaner. Gives you the cleaner look against the stainless steel. Look at it.
Yeah, I guess so.
Because you look down there at the oven, then you look down there at the refrigerator.
You're right, it does look nicer. What about black? Look over there.
I love black. Black is everything in our house.
Yeah, I know. We're like
Black is like my favors. No. All right, we'll keep dreaming. We'll be back. Oh, look at that. You've been looking for one of them forever.
for a couple years now.
And you already have one.
See, I found out at a day program I go to that these egg cutters, you can put a strawberry in here and go like this, and it cuts it perfectly.
And then we couldn't find one for her, so I had to special order it. Since we got it, now...
And this is the first one I found since then in the actual store.
No, we found one in Giant, too.
Oh, we did?
Mm-hmm. And they also got a special strawberry one, 4 strawberries, which she didn't know about. She thought she invented something new.
But we have that one too in this shape of a strawberry.
Yep.
But it sucks because in Pennsylvania, the
Strawberries suck.
have been very bruised and gross lately for like the last 2 years. So hopefully this summer is different. I really like this. Is it rolling?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we have found the perfect seating for me and Carrie. Carrie has her own seat, I have my own seat. There's a little ottoman for my feet. It's not very comfortable though. Only downside.
Hold on, let me get a picture of you.
So, we found a cutting board for Carrie. It's this little one. Not this one, this one. It's the perfect size for her. Because, like, look at this. She can go chop, 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 chop. So when we're cooking in videos, she has a cutting board now.
Spoiled.
And then we got her this friend. His name is Kia, because he's from Ikea. And, you know, Carrie loves her besties, so she gets to take him home. Oh, and then we got sweet tea, because it's very hot in here.
Mm-hmm. True story. Okay. We're going to go downstairs and see what we can find downstairs.
Hello. Yes. Yes.
Did you ever use one of them?
They said like and subscribe.
What they said, they like and subscribe.
The mystery person on the phone said like and subscribe. No, I haven't.
They're pretty cool. Old times.
Yeah. It's crazy. I have found my friend. He's amazing. I love him so much. His name is, when you put him and him together, it makes Ikea. That was so stupid.
It was.
That was so stupid. Why did you pick I? Man, oh my god, look at him go. Or he can be sad.
Ah.
He can be happy or he can be sad.
No resting bitch face?
No.
No. Can't have a mom's or?
Nope. Oh my god. Look how fancy this is.
Mm-hmm.
I guess I'll be done in an hour or something. A minute, an hour, something. Okay, we're getting closer because there's fake plants. So we're getting closer to the real plants.
Did it feel to make sure it was fake?
No, I knew it was fake. Just wanted to double check, yeah.
I'm staying over here. Or not. Come over here.
Now we just have to figure out which one I am going to get.
Plants, not greenhouses, Mare.
I was thinking about my other plants.
No aloe. I have an aloe at home that's out of control. Or I should say you have an aloe out of control. They have less this time than last time?
Definitely.
Maybe it's because it's winter.
Maybe. Yeah, I'm just gonna type like that.
So we come back in the summer? Yeah, I don't see no succulents. Oh, you found them. And that's what you're going with?
I don't know, but I love cactuses.
Really easy to take care of, that's why.
I don't know. Do you see any that you like?
No, there's nothing over there.
No.
There's no spiders.
No.
You want to get the yellow one?
That's what I'm thinking.
He's almost like Mr. Cactus.
I have no clue. These ones would probably just die, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, Mom.
Or we can go to Lowe's.
Ooh, I like that idea better. I
You
like
sure?
that idea better, yes.
So the promise is withdrawn, Mary?
Promise is withdrawn and put onto Lowe's. And you promised to get me a plant at Lowe's?
Yeah, I just said that.
Yeah, but you had to promise.
Yes, I promise.
It's on camera, everyone.
Uh-huh.
I
Okay.
don't know, they just don't have a good selection this
I know,
time.
I know. Last time was bigger. I don't
It's just a
know.
lot of just leaves.
Yeah.
I know that's what plants are, but I like colors. I like prettiness. I like cactuses. You might be like, what's wrong with the cactuses you picked up? They're just not the vibe I'm looking for. I don't even know what that sentence means, but...
Okay, we're going to get out of here. We'll talk to you a little later.
We're now leaving Ikea. We walked at least a mile, I think. We'll check our phones later. But we had a great time. Did not find a plant I liked though. But other than that, awesome. 10 out of 10 would recommend the Ikea. I don't know if we're going anywhere else, but if we do, you shall come with us.